I think I figured out how to mount my GoPro camera to this RC airplane here. I've threaded the elastics through the tripod mount, and with a little bit of Velcro under there, I think it'll be pretty stable. Uh, One thing before I try to take flight with the camera, I'll do some taxis, and I will try to dial in how the plane handles by doing some aborted takeoffs, because I don't want to wreck my plane or my camera. So let's take a look and see what it looks like from the airplane's point of view. And I'll just fire up the motor here. We'll see